Hi everyone, welcome back to Naqib Scale. Today we will learn basic router configuration command and Cisco Packet Tracer. Topic for CCNA beginner. How you can configure the router. Click on the router, then click on CLI, and here write no, then enter. Now we are in the user mode. Want to go to the privilege mode. So the command is for the privilege mode enable, then enter, and now we are in the privilege mode. Want to go to global configuration mode, so the command is config terminal. Now we are in the global configuration mode. Here we can change the major changes in the router, and now we rename the router hostname with R1. So here you can see the router name is now the R1. So this is the method for the renaming of the router, and now we are at the password on the router. So we want to add the password is secret. So the command is enable secret Cisco 123, and we add the message for the unauthorized user. When unauthorized user come to the router, so we want to display the message for the unauthorized user. Before the message and at the end the message, you need to add a same symbol. So we add the hash symbol, and here we add the message for the unauthorized user. The end we add the same symbol hash, and then enter. And now we secure the console. So we add the password on console. So the command is line console 0 password admin 123, and then login command you need to use, then enter. And now we assign IP to the router interface. So the command is interface fast ethernet 0/0, then enter. IP address 192.168.10.1, then subnet mask 255.255.255.0, then enter. No shutdown, then enter and exit. You can see here the port is now off. Now we want to save the configuration when my router is robot, so the configuration will be stay safe. So the command is come to privilege mode and add the command copy running configuration startup configuration, then enter. So now we save the configuration when the router reboot, so the configuration will be saved. I want to show interfaces, so the command is show IP interface brief. With the help of this command you can see the interfaces, and now we want to check the router. So here you can see show the password. So the password we have add Cisco 123. Before the Cisco we have add another password on the console. So, and you can see here not allow unauthorized user. This is the banner message when we add. So we add here a password, enable, and again required password here, which is Cisco 123. So this is the basic router configuration. You have just completed basic router configuration. Follow Naqib scale for more CCNA practicals and packet tracer. Thank you.